So if you're new to window tinting, you might be familiar with this situation right here. This is a 96 Honda Civic, and over the course of 4 hours, we managed to tint 4 doors and 2 quarters outside. Now, it's not really a very difficult car to actually tint. It's just, if you guys are trying to tint outside, you're gonna have a tough time, and I'm gonna show you why. So stay tuned, because this one's gonna be a little bit rough. Welcome to how to tint a door window outside in the Philippines when it just got breezy. Today, we're gonna be tinting this door window on a 96 Honda Civic. You might be asking, why? Why not? So I managed to bring a 20-inch roll of Avery Dennison 35% with me. Why 35? Hopefully this isn't gonna go terribly. Now, we are in a rather enclosed space, but we're a little far away from the walls right now, and it is overcast. So we have pretty ideal conditions right now for tinting outside. We're in Florida! No, just show them the license plate on the car if they don't think that we're in the Philippines. So, if you're wondering what's different about tinting outside versus tinting inside, it's that right there. The wind is your biggest enemy. This is gonna be a very prime example of where everything on my channel all starts to look similar, except the environment changes. It's already tacking up. Look. Oh no. Oh, we creased it already. Oh. It's no good. It's dead. We killed it. Take 2. We got 100 feet of film to make this happen. And god damn it, we're gonna make this happen. So all you new people out there that wanna tint outside, this is going to be a good life lesson for you of why you don't want to do that, or why it's just going to make your life more difficult. Find an enclosed space. Oh God, it's so hot. It's so hot. It's so hot. Now, if any of you saw the vlog, I'll have a link to that in the description. You'll know that we were not able to find a heat gun, but we were able to find a butane torch. It might be too windy. Also, we can't see it, but it's going. So, this will be fun. Oh! You should be good, depending on how curved your windows are. I believe we'll be just enough to make this work. I think we got a little break in the wind. So it's go time. My method is not great for wind. I think the sun just came out just to fuck with us. Oh yeah, we're firming up real fast. It's that like slap around type garbage right now. Goes back right there. Well, let's not zoom in on it now. I'd say we're about like 95% there. It's not slidey. We need slip. Ta-da! You did it! So we're gonna continue on. You might wonder why I'm wearing a different shirt. It's not because it's another day. It's because it's so hot. It's so hot here. So this window does not roll down. The hardest part, thank you, wind, trying to tuck it into a seal like this. That's obviously where it's the most difficult to clean. I don't have a great way of doing that. Normally, if I'd run into like a circumstance like this, I would just talk to the customer, like, hey, you know, your window's broken. Would you like to go get it fixed maybe? And then your job will look a little bit better. How do you say clean in Filipino?
Malinis.
Malinis? Ew. Yeah. You see that?
Dugyot.
It's gross. In Filipino is dugyot. We're just gonna keep this extra soaked at the top. And then we're gonna cross our ever-loving fingers. Oh, that's way down. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. But it's already pretty fixed. We added a lot of soap. See, it's like friction, man. I tell you. Fail. We're gonna try and do it in halvesies this time. We're gonna use a lot of soap. We're gonna cross our fingers real hard. We're gonna try to just peel this down to like here and just worry about this top part. But I don't know. And that's pretty much it. Just like that. Oh, it's warm. It's so warm. We're like already sticking really bad. Look at that. It's like covered. You see this pinch point right here? That's saturated. It's like soap. What soap? You didn't put any soap on here. This is outside in the sun. What the fuck are you guys doing this outside? Sorry, folks. Everything is hot to the point where it wants to stick regardless of how much soap you put on it. So we're really just gonna get it as close as we can, which isn't very far at all. If I had some magical way of doing this, I would. Like, you can just get part of it, like a reverse shrink. Are we closer? I feel like that might be a little bit closer than it was. Well, it's on there. I think we're slightly closer, but we definitely have some shit. Skip it. This door went beautifully. You guys don't. I've already tinted the same window about 4 times now. 5 times. Not this door. That one. The one that wouldn't roll down. And we got it to mediocre acceptability. Good enough for who it's for? I don't know. I spent way too much time on it. It is so hot. You start spraying and the glass is already dry. It evaporates in the air on its way to the window. It's so hot. I have become slightly more proficient at tinting outside now. Did I say wind was not a problem? Wind's a problem. Wind's a problem. This is just so exciting. The camera's falling asleep. Uh-oh. Again. The sun! It's too hot. This is just going to be a video about the 7 stages of window tinting. I think we're on stage number 7. Fuck it. That's not good. That's really not good. Show. Again. Welcome back to attempt number 5,000. It's not a tough vehicle. It's tough conditions. I think I'm gonna rename this whole video to Tinting Outside is Easy. And I'll just hold all the straps. Because we've fucked up probably about fucking 10 times now. Oh my god, this looks okay. Oh look, it's going so well. I think we've got another one done. Yeah, just gotta let that little guy dry out and then it'll be good. Peace. Just have this roll down and a couple quarter windows. No problems, right? No problems. Uh-oh. That's too tight.
That's fine.
Take 2. Okay. I think we're okay. No. Come on. Oh, these suck. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Easy reach. Yeah. Oh no, don't do that, don't do that. Aha. It trapped air and trapped like tint. It'll peel off clean. So you can like, oh, it's so grabby already. And then like flush. And then squeegee it back straight over.
Oh, hallelujah.
Oh my God. What is this, like 4 hours? An hour per door.
Okay, let's go. It's done.
We gotta do these.
Out.
Welcome to How to Tint a Quarter Window Outside. I will be your host. What the fuck? First, cut your long, flat edge. Make sure you only use a little blade. This ensures you will get the closest cut possible. Get in front of the camera so they can't see what's going on. Well, this cut needs to be really close, so give this thing a good fucking bath. Oh, it's moving. Oh, what the fuck?
What?
Just kidding. Yay. What a sick joke to play right now. That's it. I think we're done.
Yes. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah. Yay! First try. Oh my God. So that was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. The end result was actually somewhat decent on everything except for this back rear window right there. Still not super happy about that one, but it at least looked better than it did before. If you're gonna tint outside, the sun, get out of the sun. It's not even the wind that's so much the problem. The sun is just going to bake the glass and evaporate the water. You're not gonna be able to slide around the film near as easily. So take it from somebody who's been tinting for 10 years, get the fuck out of the sun, what are you doing? Make sure to click those links in the video description if you wanna get any professional stuff or, you know, support some of the sponsors that help support this channel. Tint Wiz, Tint Depot, y'all are awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this special edition of Tinting in the Philippines. I'll see you in the next one.